हम हैं शहाब और समीर। इस सीरीज में हम आपको लेके चलेंगे मालदीव्स ऑन अ बजट, देंगे तमाम इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रैवल टिप्स। इस एपिसोड में हम कवर करेंगे हमारा कंप्लीट रिजॉर्ट एंड रूम टूर और भी बहुत कुछ।
No, we speak English. Sorry, that's why I did that. No problem. शेख नाम की वजह से इन्हें लगा कि हम हैं अरबिक स्पीकिंग। फिर इस खूबसूरत सफर का हिस्सा बना ये वार्म वेलकम और रिजॉर्ट।
Thank you so much.
Oh, sorry. For you? Please have a seat, ma'am. Make yourself
तो समीर ये क्या है जो आपको मिला है?
ये कोकोनट की आइसक्रीम है और हैंडमेड है, इट्स टोटली नेचुरल। बहुत अच्छा वेलकम था। दे गिव अस टॉवल्स एंड देन आइसक्रीम, इट्स सो नाइस।
अच्छा, ये आप खा के दिखाएंगे किस तरह का है?
Why not? By the way, spoon is very nice. It's made of wood. It's just like coconut juice. Very nice. I like it.
Okay, so once again, welcome to Kurumba Maldives. Allow me to introduce. My name is Miho. I'm the assistant front office manager. Now, NASTION is going to take you through the check-in procedure and also island orientation and room orientation as well. So she will be your guest service host. However, if you wish to have any request or require whatever as you wish, please just get back to me anytime. This Kurumba Maldives is the first resort in Maldives. So we started to open 1972. So we are celebrating 47 years now. We come to 48 years, and actually the Kurumba meanings of the in local language is coconut.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's
This
why
ice
we
cream
provide a
is also-
coconut.
Yeah,
Yes,
this ice cream is
This
coconut,
awesome.
and you use fresh refreshment towels. So we put the coconut essence as well.
Really?
So everything related coconuts.
Yeah, so nice.
थैंक यू सो मच।
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay with us.
कि गाइस अब हमारे साथ हमारे जो असिस्टेंट है, पर्सनल असिस्टेंट मिल गया हमें, तो वो जो है हमें थ्रू आउट दिखाएंगे कि यहाँ पे क्या अवेलेबल है। और चलें अपना।
So this is hibiscus lunch just for chicken. During your stay with us, if you need anything, any information, reception is here, right?
Okay.
And upstairs we have business center, we have lit area, we have library, and there we can, as we know, our standard checkout time is 12. And if you need to stay in our resort and use our facilities after your checkout, yes, of course it's possible. And you have rest area upstairs. Sorry, my English is bad because I'm Arabic speaker, so
It's totally fine.
be careful with your head.
Okay, you sit first. So, are you going to drive?
Yeah, I'm going to drive.
That's nice.
Here is our swimming pool. Actually, we have two swimming pools. This is our main swimming pool, open from 7 till 7. No need to bring your towels. They will give you towels here.
ओके।
Hello. And this is our table pool. It's free if you want to pay. Then washrooms here. Then here is shisha lounge. There is outside and inside also. Shisha lounge, it's called bed. So since you are houseboard, your breakfast and your dinner you will take it in Bihamana restaurant. This is buffet restaurant. Your breakfast starts from 7 until 9:30, until 10. Lunch from 12 until 2:30, and dinner from 6:30 until 9:30.
So both breakfast and dinner will be here.
Yeah. If you want another restaurant, you will have 50% discount. Just for food, no drinks. And this is our best restaurant in the resort. Chila restaurant is for seafood. It's open for breakfast and dinner also. And behind Chila we have Hamakaze Tapanyake restaurant, Japanese food.
आप लोग देख सकते हैं इनके पास कितने डिफरेंट वैरायटी हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स की, और पूल भी 2 हैं। सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड रिजॉर्ट गाइस, और आप लोग भी ज़रूर आएँ। और हमने अगेन बुकिंग जो थी वो agoda.com से किया, आप लोग भी इजीली कर सकते हैं, और सारा प्रोसीजर आपको मैं बता दूंगा। और उसके अलावा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए जो है वो राउंड ट्रिप एक बंदे का 111 USD लगता है, वो ज़रूर याद रखिएगा। और चेक इन चेकआउट अब स्टैंडर्ड होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम है, फ़्लाइट आपकी लेट है, तो यहाँ पे रिसेप्शन के उन्होंने बिज़नेस सेंटर बनाया, वहाँ पे बैठ के अपना काम वगैरह कर सकते हैं। सो इट्स वेरी नाइस।
For all the activities, sea activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, surfing, kayaking. So you have kayaking fee every day, 45 minutes, right?
What is that?
Kayaking. Kayaking.
Oh, okay, it's like cycling.
Okay, we will do it.
Yeah, okay.
What time is
It's
this?
very easy. So it's open from 9 until 5.
9 and 2.
Yeah. So your room is here, there, upstairs. You see it, but I will just to take you to see our recreation center, spa, gym. Then we go back. And this is our beautiful art. So here we find recreation center, jewelry shop. There inside there is kids club, there is swimming pool, and there is a big glass door. There you can find all the equipment for snorkeling. If you want to do snorkeling, you can go the equipment there. And this is photo studio. You have one picture free.
And snorkeling kit is also free?
Yeah, it's free. And this is gym, 24 hours to 24 hours. For enter, just put your room key card. And this is our beauty spa. Open from 9 until 8 p.m.
Okay.
So everyone, they're gonna see me now. My manager, the whole the resort.
You will be famous.
So put my Instagram is Nisreen Aman.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Even right now. if
Moroccan girl in isolated island.
you- Okay. For how long you been working here?
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Where
Still
you,
new. That's why I'm just
where you were before?
in my country.
In your country.
Yeah.
And where you were working there?
Sorry.
What was the job
Yeah.
there?
Hospitality also. But I was working in F&B restoration, not front office. Now I changed.
Inshallah, everything will be great.
Inshallah, I wish.
It's hard to live here?
No, it's not hard at all. It's very good since I like very much the beach side in my country. I used to travel to another city. There is around this city there is too much beach and you understand me. Natural environments. So for me it's not hard. I like here so much, and also people here Maldivian is very good. They are good with us, with foreigner. There is no racism.
Yeah, that's very true.
Yeah, it's very good here. It's near to diving center and water sport. It's near to restaurant area.
All right.
Welcome to your home. So I will give you some information
sure.
about the
Go
room.
ahead.
The first thing is the first beautiful thing in your room. It's
ये बालकनी है. Yeah.
So, as you know, smoking is not allowed inside, but outside.
Okay. Thank you.
So, housekeeping, they came 2 times of the day. One time morning, one time evening. If you don't need them to just clean the room, just put this, don't disturb outside the room. Then they change the bedsheet just one time for 3 nights. If you want them to change it the second night, just put this dolphin here. Okay?
All right.
So this is our journal. This is the timing of restaurant and the prices and everything. If you don't remember what I said, then this is our activities and excursion. The red one it's chargeable and the blue one it's complimentary. The blue and red it's complimentary, but you should make a booking first. And this is our excursion and the prices and the timing. So here, if you want to book to order food in your room, just call 333 and this is the menu. And this is some information about the island, and this is our menu village spa, right? We'll have here air conditioner. So minibar. This one is chargeable and the prices will be here. And this one, water, coffee, tea, it's complimentary for you, right?
Yes.
So, painters and sleepers. Sleepers, you can bring it with you to your home as a gift from the house.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Then safety box here and hair dryer for men. You're welcome.
We are smiling because she don't use hair dryers. I use.
So the second beautiful thing in your room it's washroom.
This is the best.
Yeah. So the color towels it's for beach, and the white towels it's for shower.
This is something we never seen before.
So that door just it's connecting room because don't open it. I hope that you didn't have any allergy food.
Yeah, we don't have.
But we need halal food, right?
Yeah.
Halal food, right?
Halal
There is
food
halal
and
food.
For her only, she don't eat egg.
Yeah, egg. Okay, okay.
She only.
Okay.
But she eat cakes, things, but she don't.
With egg, but she didn't eat.
But she eat chicken and other meats.
Yeah.
Only egg she can.
Only eggs. Okay. So if you need any information, my name is Nisreen. Just call reception at 0. And I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you so
Goodbye.
much.
You're welcome.
ओके समीर, काफ़ी देर बाद हमने देखा है कि आपको सीट मिली है यहाँ पे. कैसा लग रहा है ज़रा?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि यहाँ के फूड सारा का सारा हलाल है. वी थॉट कि कुछ फूड हलाल होगा लेकिन ऑल फूड इज़ हलाल, विच इज़ रियली अ ब्लेसिंग.
डिनर बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ हलाल. एंड यस, आई विल शो यू राइट नाउ व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग. This is my plate. They have barbecue, they have pasta, everything you can think of. तो बहुत अच्छा है. पैसे वसूल हो गए हैं बॉस.
और ये छोटे छोटे ग्लासेस के अंदर इतने अच्छे से इन्होंने डिज़र्ट डाली हुई है, विच लुक सो कूल. और इसके बाद ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत केक है और ये है टार्टर विच इज़ सो टेस्टी एंड इट इज़ जस्ट सो सॉफ्ट. एंड दीज आर मैकरोन्स जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा कलरफुल हैं और बहुत ही प्यारे हैं कि दिल नहीं कर रहा इनको खाया जाए. और ये बहुत ही लजीज पेस्ट्री है एंड दिस वन इज़ योगर्ट एंड वनीला विच इज़ हेल्दी ऑल्सो, सो इट्स गुड. सो हमारा डिनर आज का बहुत अच्छा था और जिनसे भी आपकी मुलाकात हुई ये बहुत ही अच्छी लेडी हैं और ये म्यांमार से हैं, जो कि आपको पता है बुर्मा और म्यांमार के बारे में. और मैं आपसे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि आज हमारे पास डिज़र्ट्स की ऑप्शन बहुत ज़्यादा थी और फूड अच्छा था, पर लेकिन हमें ऐसा हो रहा था कि इट्स नॉट हलाल बट इट इज़ 100% हलाल एंड दे हैव मेंशन्ड इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी पोर्क और अल्कोहलिक थिंग बट देयर इज़ नॉट, सो इट्स गुड।
10 में से कितने नंबर देंगे?
डिनर को 10 में से 8 दूंगी बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम फुल विद बॉम्बे दरबार टुडे।
लेकिन बीइंग ऑनेस्ट ओवरऑल तो बहुत अच्छा था और ऑप्शंस भी बहुत
या दैट्स ट्रू, बहुत अच्छा था और ऑप्शंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे, हर तरह की चीज़ थी, इवन पिज़्ज़ा था। टुडे मेन्यू वाज इटालियन एंड टुमारो इट्स मालदीवियन।
एवरीडे इट चेंजेस।
या एवरीडे इट चेंजेस व्हिच इज़ रियली नाइस थिंग।
कैसे भी अपनी चाय पिएंगे और एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग चाय।
थैंक यू। लेट्स सी हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग इट इज़।
चाय पिए स्ट्रॉन्ग
Yes.
चाय, हम अपनी लाइट कैपेचिनो पीते हैं।
I think so now it is strong. What do you say?
ओके गाइस, तो डिनर बहुत अच्छा लगा हम लोगों को और मैं तो 10 में से 10 दूंगा क्योंकि वाकई में बहुत ज़बरदस्त, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस। सो भाई कमाल है। तो गाइस, इस एपिसोड में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे हमारा रिजॉर्ट टूर, मुलाकात करेंगे कुछ अपनों से और बहुत सी नादानियाँ। ये सब कुछ जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमें इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो कीजिए।